I want to show you how deep fry our dough. How to start: spreading it without any edge and open it, not so much, like a small pizza, like this. We can cut it with a blade in this way. 1, 2, 3, and again 1 in the middle, 2 and 3. Then use the dusting flour like that, and it's ready to be deep fried. Now we have to heat it up our oil. It's olive oil, works good. And we have to put pizza pieces inside now. They will be ready when they get the brown color. Just turn it some time and check them. Now they are ready. We move it in a bowl. Just add a pinch of salt like this, couple, and move it. You can serve the deep fried dough salty, like in this case, serving it with a dip sauce like a ranch, or you can serve it as a dessert, adding, for example, sugar, cannoli, like monkey style. You can serve it even with a scoop of ice cream on the side.